Are you looking to remove your hometown from your Facebook page? Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Facebook app and logging in to your account. Next, tap the menu icon, then navigate to Pages. Once there, switch to your desired page by selecting it from the drop-down menu next to your profile photo. Now, tap your page's profile picture and click on the Edit icon at the top right. Scroll down to find the Edit Your About Info section at the bottom. Under Places Lived, locate the pencil icon next to your hometown and click on it. A box will appear, allowing you to delete your hometown by clicking the X icon. Finally, remember to save your changes by tapping the Save button at the bottom. By following these simple steps, you can successfully delete your hometown information from your Facebook page. Take control of your profile details and customize your online presence according to your preferences.